What's up, everyone? Justin here, back with a new unboxing video. Time to unbox or unbag a new wrestling shirt. Is it WWE? Is it AEW? Is it from a different company? You're gonna have to wait and find out. Anyways, I'll give you a hint. Says, if you can read it, ships from. There's your hint. So let's unbox it, unbag it. So it's a nice gift I got in the mail today on my birthday. So really feels like a birthday gift, even though I ordered it about a few days ago. So here we go. Got the bag open. Get rid of this order form. The bag. Great, very colorful. Just awesome picture, awesome drawing. I really like it. So here it is. Can you tell maybe who is it? What wrestler is it? Is it a company? Does it say AEW, Impact Wrestling, WWE? What superstar is it? The picture feels like, seriously feels like a painting or a drawing on the shirt. Nothing on the back. Nothing on the back. So here's the front. It's a little bit wrinkled because it was all folded. Here's the front. This unboxing. Who is it on the shirt? Currently my favorite wrestler. Has been for a while. For like the last 4 to 5 years. It's, sadly, I'm not going to say former. She is not the former Raw Women's Champion. She is still currently the Raw Women's Champion because she got screwed and didn't lose. It's Asuka. Asuka. New Asuka shirt. It's a pretty damn awesome drawing of her. Got the Asuka masks right there in the corner. Three different Asuka masks. Hopefully you can see it good. Let me put this extra light on again so you can see it better. Where's this goddamn plug? So hopefully you can see it better. New Asuka shirt. See the masks right there. There's one, there's 3 more. Just a very awesome design, drawing. Whoever drew it or painting of Asuka, it's damn awesome. And you see, she has the Raw Women's title because she's still the real champ. So here is my new updated. She even has a green paint under her eyes, green on her lips. Updated Asuka shirt. New as hell. I think it came out like, I know Asuka tweeted it out that this was her new shirt available at WWEshop.com. That's where I got it. I'm not sure how old it is. I think, seriously, Asuka tweeted it out like 2 weeks ago and said, my brand new shirt. It's called the Asuka the Empress Shrine t-shirt. The damn thing was $27.99. I'm not going to call it a damn thing because I love Asuka. I would have probably paid $40 for this Asuka shirt because I'm such a big fan of Asuka, such a supporter of her. The shirt was $28 plus shipping. I actually probably could have got it like $10 cheaper if I waited like 2 to 3 weeks longer. I could have got it off Amazon, free shipping, but no, I didn't want to wait. So I really hope paying this much, it was $36. $36.90 was the total after shipping, so almost fucking $40. That's a lot of damn money for a shirt. But I'll wear it a lot. I will always support Asuka, love her to death. She's my favorite wrestler. Male or female, Asuka's my #1 favorite still. Anyways, what was I going to say? I'm very tired, so I'm just babbling on. I don't know what the hell I'm going to even say next, or I forgot. Yeah, I want to support Asuka always, and I hope she gets half of the money from her merchandise sales. I hope some damn merchandise money from her shirts goes into her paycheck or extra money to Asuka because she deserves it. There it is. Unboxing of a new Asuka shirt. I love it because I love Asuka. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this new unboxing of a WWE new Asuka shirt. This was one of my first, I believe, my first or second Asuka shirt I bought. I actually have a Kabuki Warrior shirt. This is an NXT shirt. It's an NXT tag right here. Anyways, I think I got 4 Asuka shirts. Now I have 4 Asuka shirts. And I probably would buy more in the future. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.